What happens if a game and reality swap places? That will be a lot of fun! Ben is a hardcore Fortnite fan. He wants to set a new record. But Rosie is annoying him with her toys again. She also loves Fortnite and made a llama doll just for her favorite video game fan club. Wrap a doll in a piece of fabric and mark the size. Draw a pattern. Make it wider starting from the waist up to the knees. Cut the piece out. Attach Velcro to the back. Cut foam paper of blue and purple shades into strips. Make fringe. Attach it to the dress row after row, starting from the bottom. Put the dress on. Cut long, thin balloons. Coat the doll's legs with oil and put the balloons on as tights. Make shoes from light black clay. Trim the doll's hair and color it with a purple marker. Glue thin wire to a strip of a foam sheet. Bend it into an arch. Make ears from light clay. Attach them to the headband. Define lips with acrylic paint. Put a suede strip onto the neck. Glue foam paper strips to a round base. Bend a tail. Attach it to a cord. And tie it onto the doll. Coat an empty Tic Tac container with acrylic paint. Attach a picture of an arrow on top. Add a cord handle and put it onto the doll. This llama is such a cutie! Come on, Ben, admit it! These ears are adorable! Of course, Ben loves it! But he wants to play. Whoops! The llama runs away to eat some grass. And Rosie goes too! Phew! Now I can start a battle! Ben enters a menu. Which character should he select? Llama or Cuddle Team Leader? Both of them demonstrate outstanding abilities. But which one is stronger? It's Cuddle Team Leader! Trace a Monster High doll on cardboard and cut out a base for a jumpsuit. Make an outline on fabric. Leave half-inch allowances for sewing. Cut out 2 pieces. Sew them together. Make a cut on the back and turn the jumpsuit right side out. Put it onto the doll. Attach thin Velcro for fastening. Cut an oval out of white foam paper. Draw a broken heart on it. Use double-sided tape to attach the drawing to the jumpsuit. Paint a plastic fastener white. Hot glue a suede cord to it. Put the belt on. Decorate the legs with suede strips. Cut costume pieces out of white foam paper. Add drawings with a black marker and attach them to the other leg. Tie a satin ribbon on the sleeve. Attach a black foam paper armlet. Add a white pattern. Coat old Bratz boots with purple and white acrylic paint. Add makeup with watercolor pencils. Color some strands with a blue marker. Put the hair up in a ponytail. Cut a little purple balloon. Cut out mittens and put them on. For the mask, take an old stuffed toy. Cut off the head and take out the filling. Make the ears shorter. And sew them to the head with edges tucked inside. Hot glue a black plastic nose. Paint the eyes with white and purple. Attach a foam paper tongue and a white strip over the eye. Hot glue 2 velour strips to a black bow. Shape a backpack. Put on all the costume pieces. Wow! This is a real Cuddle Team leader! And a doll hides under the mask. It's a great trophy! Ben tries out a new attack technique on the doll, and then returns the character back into the game. It will be more useful there. Ben offended the girls again. He plays way too much. As a punishment, the girls send Ben into the video game. He should directly experience all the best parts of Fortnite. Ben turns into his favorite character, Marshmallow, and he has to fight the most brutal opponent, himself. Ben gets a marshmallow doll with a pickaxe in honor of his victory. Outline Ken's leg on paper. Make a leg pattern. Cut 2 legs out of white stretchy fabric. Fasten the pants together with fabric glue. Put the pants onto Ken. Make a top pattern. Glue the pieces together. Attach Velcro to the back. Glue elastic ribbon to the edges and to the pants as pockets. Draw the iconic pattern on the costume with a pencil. Attach a strip of white foam paper crosswise. Glue black foam paper details to it. Add silver indications. Cut a straw into little pieces. Wrap them in white foam paper. Cut off the excess. Draw Marshmallow's face with a marker. Attach a black foam paper loop on top. Fasten bombs to the top using Velcro. Coat Ken's palms with white primer. Attach foam paper tongues to toy shoes and cover them with a few layers of white primer. Make a mask out of a plastic jar. Draw a grid on a strip of a black foam sheet. Cut out the iconic face in a strip of a white foam sheet. Cover the jar with the black foam sheet. Attach the white layer on top. Fasten a white foam sheet to the top of the mask. Make another piece like this, but cover the bottom. That's the top of the pickaxe. Glue a plastic stick as a handle. Put the mask onto the doll and stick the Mash Smasher into Marshmallow's hand. Ben comes back to reality, and he brought the doll along. The girls want to check out what's under the mask. Boo! Marshmallow Ben scares everyone. There is only one game controller for all the friends willing to play. They begin fighting before the game starts, but Sparkle Specialist appears from the screen when she hears the screams. Fold shiny gold fabric in half and trace a doll on it. Make the pants bigger at the bottom. Leave seam allowances. Sew the pants. Make a cut on the back. Put the pants onto the doll. Attach thin Velcro to the back. Draw a cutout of a tank top on black felt. Cut it out. Hot glue and put it onto the doll. Attach black ribbon to the sides of the pants. Add a gold belt. Make pockets from squares of fabric. Attach strips of a black foam sheet to the pockets and hot glue the pockets to the sides of the legs. Paint old Barbie sneakers gold. Make the sole and the shoelaces white. Define lips with gold acrylic paint and the eye pupils. Add highlights and a nose piercing. Define lashes with black paint and a thin brush. Make the nails gold. Paint a gold tattoo on the arm. Put the hair into pigtails, leaving 2 strands in the front, and wrap up 2 buns. Trim bangs. Add a necklace with a pendant. Make mittens out of a black foam sheet. Add gold elastic ribbon as a decoration. Draw a pickaxe on thick gold cardboard. Cut out 2 pieces and glue them to a black plastic stick. Attach a decorative crystal on top. Make a 3D pattern with hot glue. Color the glue with silver acrylic paint. Coat the edge of the handle with gold acrylic paint. Cindy grabs the Sparkle Specialist doll and her armor right away. She's so stylish, and there are so many details. It's great that Sparkle Specialist is on our team. Now we will definitely win! Let's return the Sparkle Specialist to the battlefield and keep playing! Did you like our Fortnite dolls? Then let us know in the comments which character you would turn into a doll. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new doll ideas on Troom Troom.